Who are the participants on the Forex market? The participants in the Forex market are the state, central banks, institutional investors, banks, large corporations, companies, and individuals. When we talk about the division of the participants, there are different criteria of classification. The most important division share to dealers, brokers, and clients. Who exactly is a broker in the Forex market? Brokers are intermediary companies providing brokerage services in the global financial market. Also, in addition to brokerage services, Forex broker is obligated to provide to their clients information about trading on the stock exchange. Forex broker make their profit by charging a spread, which represents the difference between the buying and selling price of a currency pairs. Besides that, Forex brokers increasingly offer services trading with financial derivatives such as futures, CFD contracts, commodities, and stock market indices. Small traders could not access stock exchange without any broker intervention. Brokers enable small traders trading by deposits of small traders on broker's account. Client access the stock exchange via personal account received from brokers using trading platforms. Who are the dealers on Forex? Dealers are market participants who trade on their own behalf and for its own account. In foreign exchange, it is a major market players such as Deutsche Bank, Citigroups, JP Morgan Chase, Goldman Sachs, Merrill Lynch, etc. Thanks to dealers, Forex market reaches its maximum liquidity. Capital controlled by these players, as well as the volume of their transactions, are reaching extremely high amounts. Their power is measured in billions of dollars. As a result, the forex dealers have greatly influence on price movement. They have the power of moving the entire market. Okay, who are the clients? Clients usually include two groups. The first group consists of customers who want to protect themselves from currency risk, and they call hedgers. While a second group are speculators, and their only goal is to make profit. The most significant clients include corporations, hedge funds, insurance companies, pension funds, and the population. The most traded currency pairs. The most traded currency pairs in the forex market include Euro US dollar Japanese yen, British pound US dollar, Australian dollar US dollar, US dollar Swiss franc, and US dollar Canadian dollar. In addition to this, there are many other currency pairs. Besides displayed currency pairs, brokers offer trade with a lot of different pairs such as US dollar Hong Kong dollar, US dollar Danish crown, US dollar Mexican pesos, and many others. A characteristic for these pairs is that spread for them is mainly a lot higher than spread for the base pairs because the volume of trading in these currency pairs is much smaller. Depending on the broker, there is a different number of currency pairs to trade with a variety of spreads and commissions, and also there are brokers who can offer the option of trading with oil, gold, silver, indices, stocks, futures, options, and another financial instruments.